wow, 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 wow. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. Yeah, in my bank account. Yeah, in my bank account. Yeah.
Hello, Desioeyes. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're here for the first time, I want to say a huge welcome to you. I hope you enjoy DIYs or beauty videos on hair, makeup, everything beauty. If you do, I hope you enjoy my channel and I hope you are joining our family and hit that subscribe button below. And while you're at that, go ahead, hit that alert bell so you can be up to date when I upload new videos, so you don't want to miss any. So today's video is going to be on some contacts that was sent to me by Desio. Now I got the romantic blue and it comes in this case right here. Now I have not opened them yet, so I will show you them right out the pack. But before I get to that, it comes with these two pamphlets. And in these pamphlets you have different contacts that they have. For the Desio contacts, 1 a day color contacts with attitude. So these are Desio attitude contacts, and they are pretty much one wear. So you wear them once, you toss them away. I know you're thinking like, oh, why would I toss them? Because you get 6 pairs, which equals out to be 12 contacts in total. Let me go ahead and show you quick specs. Just so you know, this is an Italian product, and it is FDA certified, and they come with or without correction. So right the back is what you get in the box. You get another pamphlet, small pamphlet, with again the different range of contacts. Now these aren't the only ones that they sell. They do have different ones. They have ones that you can wear for a longer period of time. Now you get 2 of these. So equals out, like I said, between 12 in total. So pretty much a week's worth. And this is what it looks like. So what you would get. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on and I'll be right back. So I'm back with my romantic blue eyes. Now just so you know, I did do other reviews on these contacts. I'll leave a link somewhere in here so you can click over and check those out too. I feel like these contacts are super realistic. Obviously not realistic for my skin tone, but super realistic. So far they've been the best ones I've tried. I absolutely love Desio. I love their contacts. I can't wait to try some of their more long wear ones, but I absolutely love the 1 a day attitude because it definitely gives you that attitude. Let me know what you guys think of this contact, what you think of my other contact reviews. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always, stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.